Gaisano, second floor. Walang customer. May customer pero konti lang. Sales, slightly damaged items. Ito yung unit. 60% sale with over 13,000 songs. Small DVD, guys. It's 2,899 pesos. %20 sale. This is Panasonic flat screen. Free antenna, remote, and TV Plus. Ganyan sa kalaki, guys. This is about how many inches? $42 inches. 12,999. Right, Panasonic TV with built-in TV Plus. So guys, hulugan, pay now, pay later through home credit. The amount is malabo. Ito yung unit. Yan. Yes. Hindi ko alam kung wireless to. Ito yung box. So again, it's 10,499. Medyo malabo talaga. Hindi makita. Hindi makita. Malabo. Basta 10,499 siya. Okay. Okay. Dito guys, yung mga chairs and tables. Ayan, chairs and tables. Meron silang tag 3,499. Yan. Alright. Chairs and tables. Ang dami. So guys, Hialay, second floor tayo guys. Walang customer. But maraming items. See, these are furnitures. This one is 5,099, and this one is 6,099. Plastic siya. And meron din mga washing machines and refs and water dispenser. Maraming klase. 9,750. Yung maliit, 7,280. You can also avail through home credit. Okay, home credit. Asi. So marami dito guys, no? Maraming paninda pero wala masyadong customer. Halos almost everyday ganito. Ang marami lang customer sa baba sa may grocery store. Pero dito sa second floor wala masyadong customer. Lalo na sa area na to. Okay. Rice cookers. Marami, iba-ibang klase. Yan. So halos lahat ng paninda dito no guys. Halos nandito tanan. Lahat. Yan no. Kompleto. Kompleto sila guys. Kompleto sila. Dami. Yan. Dami guys. So meron din sila itong ano na guys. Meron din silang kinilo. 99 pesos per kilo. So ito yung mga items. May plato. Merong mga kutsaritas. $99 pesos per kilo. Okay. So, naman tayo sa mga baso. Baso tag 27 per piece. Yan. Plates. Marami din ito guys. Oh. Plates. Kompleto. Dami. Ibang klase. Yan. Glasses. Marami din. Kulay. Diyan tayo. Maraming kulay. See. Bowl. Marami din. Okay. A lot. Glasses, different kinds and different types. For gifts. Pang regalo guys, oh. Cute siya. And Valentine's. And the price is 99 pesos. Meron ding flowers. These are flowers. Dito yung totoong flowers guys. Ginawa lang ito. See? Oh. See? Flowers. Okay, so once again, Gaisano High Alay, second floor. Maraming paninda, pero kunti lang yung namimili. Almost everyday guys ganito sa Gaisano second floor High Alay, Cebu. And the exact address is Alaska. It's near Alaska Viking Gym. Yeah, it's near Alaska Viking Gym, Gaisano High Alay, Cebu City. So guys, no? Okay. Thank you guys for watching. God bless.